Hi everyone, it's Priscilla from the Stitch Queen Crochet. Today I'll be showing you all how to create a scalloped edge. It's the same edge that I use in all of my high-waisted shorts patterns, and I'll link this below in the comments if you ever want to make it yourself. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright, so let's get into how to create or crochet a shell stitch border. Right now I am finishing up my crochet big Wanderlust bandana pattern, and on the edge of it I have a nice shell stitch border. I'm going to show you guys how to do it on my current project. So what you need to know is how to do a single crochet and how to double crochet, and I will link that below in the description. In case you don't know how to do that, you can go check out those videos. Alrighty, so the first thing you're going to do on the last row of what you're doing, I usually start all my rows with a chain one. You do whatever you feel comfortable with, but I chain one at the beginning of the row. Then I single crochet into the first stitch, just like that. And then I skip one stitch, and into the next stitch I double crochet 5. Alright, and after you double crochet 5, you skip the next stitch and you single crochet into that one, the next one after that one. And that is a shell stitch border. I'll show you one more time. So you just single crocheted, gonna skip one stitch and go into the next one. And you're gonna double crochet 5, 4 and 5. Then you skip one stitch into the next one, you single crochet. You just continue doing that as you go around your project, and that is how you crochet a shell stitch border. If you found this tutorial helpful, if you have any questions, please comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe so you're always caught up on new tutorials and new patterns. Alright, have an awesome day, you guys.